Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Marquis and Marak ubalong Kyrtong jongka Nationalist People's Party. Ula jobsuk yaka election syaka yeng dorbar tawain dak bapnlim lendang yaka Deborah si Marak kabalong ka Kyrtong jongka Kongres bat ka Menteri Sorkar barim jongka Sorkar MUA 2 balayalam daga seng Kongres. Kumban syukudaw hang ni ka Election Commission of India kalahap ban pensange no ya ka election jit nong mikmat na Williamnagar Constituency kabla bu ban penlong haka arpunyo tarik rumpang arhajar khatpra hadien ka jing klat no jong Jonathan and Sangma haka jing pen betai bom IED daki runar bemla ban itu durkmat katba udangwan pai na ka jing yalap election haka khatpra tarik ubanai rumpang mentau snem. Hadien ka ni ka jing pensange ka Election Commission of India kala pen penapat ya ka singi tap vote haka arpunyo tarik uyayong. Hadian kani ka jing pensange ka Election Commission of India kala pendapat ia ka singi tap vote haka arpunyo tarik uyayong. Na pedengki khendai ngot ki Kyrtong ki bayakun ya kani ka election Marquis and Marak ulalong unamtam daga bayo khur khendai hajar sanspa sanpupra vote katba usengbath ar Marak Kyrtong shimet ulapoi haka kedan ka baar daga bayo khur 1000 praspa nrefo vote ka Deborah si Marak kepala penyeng daga Kongres kalayok khur 1000 sanspa khatnyo bat ka Krenila ar Marak kepala penyeng daga Nationalist Congress Party bat kebalong ka Kurim jong Jonathan ar Sangma kalapoi hak kerdan ka pasau. Marquis and Marak ula yokra yakani ka jingjob daga batam hadu 1000 praspa anrefo vote. Uni Kyrtong ka NPP udairu u MLA balami ikhmat ya ka Williamnagar hagasnem arjar pra henrai haka election arjar khatlai ula remno haka Deborah si Marak kabalong ka Kyrtong jong ka Congress.
On this big victory, it's a victory for the people. I'll try my level best to work towards the upliftment of this area and towards the all-round development of this constituency. So I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the people of this constituency who have voted me with their precious votes. See, here we need road infrastructure, drinking water facility, then educational infrastructure. That are the priorities, and also the youth unemployment.